Are you tired of feeling sluggish, bloated, and frustrated with stubborn belly fat? Do you wake up feeling like you never truly rested, lacking the energy to face the day ahead? Many people struggle with these exact issues, often trying countless diets and exercise plans with little success. The problem might not be what you are eating, but rather how your body is processing it. Your body has an incredible built-in system for cleaning itself out and managing weight. Sometimes that system just needs a little extra support to function at its best. What if a simple, warm drink each day could help you feel lighter, more energetic, and ready to take on the world? Imagine starting your day not with a jolt of caffeine, but with a gentle, nourishing elixir designed to support your body's natural processes. This isn't about a quick fix or a magic pill. It is about working with your body, not against it. By focusing on the health of one of your most important organs, you can unlock a new level of well-being. This simple routine involves a special tea made from just 3 powerful ingredients: dandelion root cinnamon, a touch of raw honey. Consuming this drink twice a day can become a cornerstone of your wellness journey, helping your body detoxify and manage fat more effectively. Take it once in the morning. Take it once in the evening. The concept is straightforward. Let's talk about one of the hardest working organs in your body, your liver. Think of your liver as the main filtration plant and processing center for everything you consume. It works tirelessly, 24 hours a day, to clean your blood, metabolize fats, proteins, carbohydrates, and neutralize harmful toxins. Every sip of alcohol, every bite of processed food, and even environmental pollutants are handled by your liver. It decides what to store, what to use for energy, and what to eliminate. Without a healthy liver, your entire system would quickly become overwhelmed with waste products. So, how does this relate to stubborn belly fat? A healthy liver is a master at fat metabolism. It produces bile essential for breaking down the fats you eat so they can be properly absorbed and used for energy. However, when the liver becomes overworked and sluggish, a condition often referred to as a fatty liver, its ability to process fat is compromised. Instead of burning fat for fuel, an overwhelmed liver may start storing it, particularly around your midsection. This is why a healthy liver is a critical, yet often overlooked component of effective weight management. The magic of this daily drink lies in the synergy of its 3 simple ingredients: dandelion root, cinnamon, and raw honey. Dandelion root, cinnamon, raw honey. Each one brings its own unique, scientifically backed properties to the table. Let's start with dandelion root. For centuries, this humble plant has been used in traditional medicine as a liver tonic. Modern science is beginning to confirm why. Studies published in journals like Food and Chemical Toxicology have shown that dandelion root extract can help protect the liver from damage. It appears to do this by increasing the flow of bile, which helps carry waste away from the liver. Next, we have cinnamon, a beloved spice with powerful health benefits. Cinnamon is not just for adding flavor to your favorite dessert. Research, including studies in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, has demonstrated its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar is crucial for managing weight and reducing cravings. The final ingredient is raw honey. It is important to specify raw honey because it has not been heated or pasteurized, which can destroy beneficial enzymes and antioxidants. Raw honey is a natural source of liver protective compounds, including flavonoids and phenolic acids. When you combine these 3 ingredients, you create a powerful, synergistic blend. Making this health-promoting tea is incredibly simple, can easily become a comforting part of your daily routine. The goal is to drink 2 cups per day, 1 in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach, another in the evening before bed. For this recipe, you will need just a few easy-to-find ingredients: dried, cut dandelion root, ground cinnamon, cinnamon sticks, raw, unfiltered honey. First, bring 1 cup, about 8 ounces or 240 milliliters of water to a boil in a small pot or kettle. Once the water is boiling, add 1 tablespoon of dried dandelion root. Reduce the heat, let it simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes. This simmering process is crucial because it helps to extract the beneficial compounds from the root. After simmering, turn off the heat. Now it is time to add the cinnamon. Stir in about half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, or add a whole cinnamon stick to the pot while the dandelion root simmers. Let the mixture steep for another 5 minutes to allow the cinnamon to infuse its flavor and properties into the tea. Finally, strain the tea into your favorite mug to remove the dandelion root pieces. By incorporating this simple drink into your daily life, you are taking a proactive step toward better health. First and foremost, you are supporting your liver, which helps your body detoxify more effectively. Secondly, you may notice a significant boost in your energy levels. Thirdly, this routine supports a healthier metabolism, which can make managing your weight, especially stubborn belly fat, feel less like an uphill battle. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, with sustained energy throughout your day, and seeing a positive change when you look in the mirror. The key benefits are simple: a supported liver, a faster metabolism, reduced bloating, increased energy. Before you begin, it is important to include a disclaimer. The information provided in this essay is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. The suggestions here are not meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. It is always essential to consult with your healthcare provider or a qualified medical professional before starting any new health routine. Now is the time to take action. Don't wait for a new year or a new month to start prioritizing your well-being. Go to the store, gather your 3 ingredients, and brew your first cup tonight. You have the power to change how you feel. Start today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments.